Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. This is the 5 Series from year 2010 to year 2018. If you want to see how to remove or how to replace the CD player, radio buttons, switches, switch panel right here, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that guys step by step in this video today. So before we guys continue, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to take it completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos and show you how to fix pretty much anything from transmissions, engines to interior bodywork, fuses, relays, also engine codes, transmission codes, all that stuff. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video guys. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hopefully they will be helpful. Please subscribe. For the first step guys, you need to disconnect your car battery. Now we have a special video on our channel that explains which battery terminal you should disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. Otherwise you can burn modules, computers that can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So that's what we'll be doing next. So guys, here what we need to do, we need to get a plastic prying removal tool guys. Okay, and let me show you now. We're going to start prying that panels out. Okay, it just has a few clips here and there. Just careful not to damage it, right? So you're going to go ahead, pry it out. You might need to help it here and there a few places. Perfect, it comes out. What do we need to do now guys? We need to disconnect our wiring here. So here we have one for the ignition switch. Let's disconnect that one. And what we can do now, we can actually guys, okay, let me see if we can flip it on top now. Okay, perfect, it will reach like this one. Now here we need to get a Torx guys, Torx 20, or I'm using 15 but I think it's 20. Right here we have one screw right here that we need to remove, as you can see. So that's what we're doing now. Then we need to go ahead and do that one over here. Okay, perfect. After that guys, okay, we need to go ahead and let me close the ashtray here. Okay, let's see what else we have holding here. Okay, it came loose on that side. A couple clips here, a couple clips there. It comes out. Now here on the bottom, what do we need to do? These connectors you need to press here in the middle and you need to slide that piece over. Now you need to do that with two hands. Check this thing out. Slide it, disconnect it. Careful not to scratch things as well. Here as well, the same thing on this side. Press in the middle, go ahead, go to the back, it comes out, right? Okay, now that's guys, okay, the climate control here you can see together, okay, with the radio CD buttons. So for the radio CD player buttons here guys, it comes together as one piece, but if you need to, you can take it apart, just a few screws in the back. Go ahead, unscrew them guys. Okay, you can see it's going to come off that plate and you can push it back and everything will come out. Now most of the times when you buy it used secondhand, it will come together guys, so you don't even need to worry about that part. But for any of you needing to do that, that's how you do it. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.